Hi, communicating your project activities is one of the key aspects for making your project successful, and sometimes in our busy schedules we tend to overlook them. Have you ever noticed that as a project manager or even as a contributing team member, communicating the activities to all your stakeholders and sponsors and keeping them all in the same page is sometimes overwhelming and stressful? This is crucial for the success of the project. So, what do we do? Hi everybody, welcome to another session of Work Monkey Labs. I am your host Ram Kumar. In this session, we will be looking at conducting effective project status review meetings. So, coming back to our concern, and in such situations, a status update review meeting is conducted to communicate the progress of the project to all the team members and senior stakeholders. A typical project status review meeting addresses and walks through the project's progress on its planned milestones, issues, and challenges faced, and the support that is required from the stakeholders. More importantly, it reinforces the project's business case and its core objectives from time to time, and any deviations from the baseline are corrected. Imperatively, such walkthrough gives a heads up of the upcoming project activities and the support needed. An added benefit is that it gives the project manager a leadership opportunity for team building and for coaching new project members. And also, in dealing with identified issues and clearing them so that the project deliverables do not get affected. Meetings are held formally in conference rooms or virtually depending on the needs of the stakeholders, and the minutes of the meeting are mailed across to all involved in the project. They are usually held on a periodical basis, often weekly and sometimes depending on the needs of the stakeholders. It is done on a monthly or quarterly basis as well. A successful meeting solicits feedback from all the involved stakeholders, making action items, and goes to a great length in keeping all of them in the same page as project progresses in time. Keep these meetings to an hour or less. Now let's look at how a simple and an effective 5-point project update review slide looks like. What you see is a block of information on a slide with the project title on the top with the update date. First of all, we need to mention the objectives of the project, followed by a brief note on the issues, constraints, and dependencies. And then it is good to mention the project resources. Mention the names of the project manager and the team members. Then a brief note on upcoming activities and support needed. And lastly, and most important, we need to mention the progress of the milestones phases. And finally, project status update review meetings are a good project habit to make your projects successful. That's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you soon.